The runners away. We've got Makarit fast to begin. Moving up in between horses. Daughter of the Dragon, 3 wide. Princess Alessi. Subok lang. Quiet Whisperer. Then comes Exceptional, while Kunta Kinte is the early trailer. Racing down the backstretch. Daughter of the Dragon, the leader by Waraling Kanehap. Running on the outside second. Princess Alessi. Then comes Makarit. Moving up to take port. Quiet Whisper running by Darrell Kunta Kinte. In between horses, we have Subok Lang. Then Exceptional is now racing in last. Going back to the leader. Red Steel, Daughter of the Dragon. Then here comes Makarit. Moving up by Darrell to take the lead. Now we have Makarit followed by Daughter of the Dragon. Princess Alessia, sorry, outside. Third then comes Quiet Whisperer. And nearing the fourth turn, it's still Makarit increasing its lead now to about 2 lengths, followed by Princess Alessi. Fading out now, Daughter of the Dragon, moving up by the rail. Quiet Whisperer as they swing for home. Makarit now with a breakaway run by about 5 lengths, followed by Princess Alessi. Quiet Whisperer down to the finish. The outstanding favorite, Makarit. Second, Princess Alessi. Quiet Whisperer, Daughter of the Dragon, Subok Lang, Exceptional, and Kunta Kinte.
The outstanding favorite numero 3, Makarit with rider J. Pastoral. That's our unofficial winner. Segundo, Princess Alessi. Numero 6, 7, Quiet Whisperer. At 5 natin, Daughter of the Dragon. 3, 6, 7, 5, unofficial place.